Illegally detained all parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt has said India has been impeding the way for just solution of the Kashmir dispute for the last over 7 decades. Masarrat Alam Butt, in his message from India's infamous Tihar jail, said the people of Kashmir have the right to seek the resolution of the Kashmir dispute as per their wishes and aspirations. Anjuman Awqaf of Srinagar Jamia Masjid has expressed concern over the continued illegal house detention of its chairman and senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq. Anjuman Awqaf, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said today was the 182 consecutive week that Mirwais Umar Farooq was neither allowed to offer Friday prayers nor address the faithful at the historic Jamia Masjid. Kashmiri activist engineer Nazir Yattu has started an indefinite hunger strike at Srinagar's press colony against the ongoing eviction drive launched by the authorities in the occupied territory. Nazir Yattu, a resident of Bhirwa area of Budgam district, in a media interview said he will continue his hunger strike for the people of the territory till the eviction drive is stopped. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has said that India cannot suppress the freedom sentiment of the Kashmiri people through its oppression and suppression. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said the Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government has started a campaign to evict people from their lands and homes. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said the Modi-led Indian government is subjecting the people of the territory to harassment on one pretext or the other to make them forget the lingering Kashmir dispute. Mehbooba Mufti, talking to media men in Kupwara, said the Modi regime was harassing the people to suppress them. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that the authorities have crippled the democratic rights of the people of the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah, addressing the party workers in Srinagar, said the narratives of peaceable calm, development and prosperity peddled by the authorities doesn't reflect the reality on the ground. As the raid on the Delhi and Mumbai offices of British Broadcasting Corporation (BBC) by the Income Tax Department of India continues, the Narendra Modi government has been continuously receiving criticism from international media organizations, describing the government action as a crackdown on press freedom in India. The raid is facing a lot of criticism as it came after the United Kingdom-based media house aired a documentary on 2002 Gujarat pogrom, highlighting the role of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fanning the riots. An earthquake hit the Riyasi district on Friday. Earthquake of 3.6 magnitude hit the Katra area of the district, but no casualty or damage to property was reported from anywhere, the officials said. Indian Army's Lieutenant General Rashim Bali was appointed by the Government of India as the Corps Commander of the Leh-based Fire and Fury Corps, also called as 14 Corps in the occupied Kashmir.